bago ko papasahin yung resolution na pinadala ni FGM Daniel Manero, gusto ko po rin sana patiin ang nangyayapa natin. DFG Hano. Isi-short ka lang po. Wala pa po ito, kinakampanya na kita. Ikaw, kung nabubuhay ka, binoto kita. Ito yan. Binoto ka na, tumatawag ka. Maluluha ko. Assalamualaikum. Ayong bunta, bastanto si Ago at si kayo, masyad ng aldaw ka na yun. Good morning, bro and sis. All different faction watches of Guardians around the world. I am the JBF Reynaldo Swat Conrado, a retired government uniform who came from the Philippine Army, Philippines Constabulary, a retired personnel. With 36 years in service, 2 months and 21 days, I am a remnant of Job Squad. I was marked Job Squad in 1984. Supposed to be a remark in 1982. However, due to pressure from my previous commander, I deferred him. Allow me to read this kasi ito po yung nararamdaman namin, mga naiwan Job Squad. Okay? I was marked in 1984 at Fort Bonifacio on 21 February 1984. Good morning to the organizer of this activity, the UGB Guardian Day, especially to the living legend, Constable First Class, Percival Cabin, Philippines Constabulary, Job Squad, number 3, a retired PNP personnel. By the way, I would like also to mention, to say, thank you to the 11 members of the Job Squad 1976, led by C1G, Liborio Hangaw, DS number 1, and father of all guardian, and to his member. Sino ba yung 11 member na yun? 3 na lang ang naiiwan. Mamaya ko sasabihin. Okay. Now, they have only 3 alive. Namely, Percival Cummings, Sios, and Arevalo. Yung 3 na yan, may contact ako dyan, kinakausap ko yan. Pero, alam ko, magkakasama yan. Now, and of course, to the 12 dirty dozen. Sino ba yung 12 dirty dozen na yan? Yan yung mga apostoles. Sila po, kami po. Kasi binuo yan dahil nung panahon ng gera sa Mindanao, I would like to recognize also those who are retired here in the armed forces, Army, PC, Marine, Navy, Air Force, Police. Sa lahat na nandito na kasama ko sa uniform body nung kami active. Okay. Sino ba yung 12 dirty dozen na yan? Andyan sila. Ayaw ko kung may nakukay pa. And of course, to the 5 magic group. Sino ba yung magic group na yun? Define magic group. Define magic. If you can define that to me, I will salute you. Hindi po ako basta-basta na founder. Sa totoo lang, nung nabubuhay, siya ako. Kapit-bahay ko sila. Taga-AP housing ako. Masakit para sa akin na mawala siya. Tumatawag siya sa akin kung ako nagmamarkas sa Haniway. Sabi niya, founder, ganito yan, sinasabi sa akin. Kahit si Ma'am Sara, nakakasabot ko yan. Nasa Iloilo ako. Okay. Pasensya lang po, kung medyo nagkaganon ako dahil nasa bukso ng akin. This is an informative conversation between us. This is a closed-door meeting. Kaya tayo nandito para sabihin ng problema, ano ang magagawa natin sa UGB. Hindi ba ako nangangampanya? Pero this is my own version. Okay? Okay. Sino ba ito? Sino yung 12 dirty dozen niya? Kasi dito po nagsimula ang guardian. Kung wala sila, wala ang guardian. Okay? These soldiers, I repeat, these soldiers, sila mga sundalo, risked their life during secessionist movement in 1976 in Mindanao. And they are a post-war veteran. Me too, as a war veteran. Like these 11 members. Kaya ko sinasabi, ako war veteran din ako. Veterano po ako. 67 years old ako. Pero pag nakuha niyo, ugali ko, cowboy tayo. Kung kay Juan, kay Pedro. Ganun ako. Okay. Sa totoo lang, okay, these soldiers, sinasabi sa inyo, itinaya ang kanilang buhay. Kasama na rin po tayo. Kasama na rin kayo mga retirado. Kasundalo. We fight for freedom and democracy so that we will live in peace and security. Okay, kayo mga veterano, alam niyo yan. Ako po ay president ng veterano sa aming lugar. Okay, let me borrow this phrase. Hihiramin ko po ang isang salita. This quote is for all departed members of the Japanese Squad, 76 and 30 dozen of the Japanese Squad. Hiniram ko po ang salita ito nasa salibingan ng bayani. Dahil doon nakalibing ang isa nating bayani at lahat ng bayaning sundalo na nagbuhis ng buhay para lang tayo makagalaw, makatrabaho, makatulog ng mahimbing. Ano po ang nakalagay doon sa libingan ng mga bayani? I do not know the dignity of his birth, but I do know the dignity of his death. Malalim po, no? Kung kayo nakakapunta sa libingan ng mga bayani, makikita nyo malaking kahulugan. Okay? I salute you, late Colonel Liborio Halao, DS number 1, and brain and father of our guardian. To PMG Sara, I salute you too. Sinasaludo kita para lang kay late Halao. Okay. In behalf of our National Chairman, Daniel Manejero, and National Vice Chairman Pablo Eguia, with me today are from the rank of GBI 12899. Kasama ko po sila, Master Sergeant Carlito FJB Carlo Lachica, Regional Chairman Region 4, an active Philippine Army. Kasama ko po yan. Jonathan Magic Group Equalizer Banyes, Head of the National Secretariat, GBI 12899. Greg Exmac Gregan Cañeda, Regional President of Region 11, Mindanao. Bienvenido Ismaclawin Catoy, Provincial President of Quezon Peninsula. RJ Ismac Damsa Mendoza, Provincial President of Laguna, Region 4. Elisa Auxiliary Badi Secretary Roderos, Persian Gulf Region Representative. Julie Auxiliary Badi Sela Bunao, Persian Gulf Region Representative. Yan po mga kasama ko ngayong araw na to. So, lumakad po kami rito o letter order yan. Kami po ay naanyayahan ninyo, gumawa po kami ng isang bagay na ikalulugod din namin. So ngayon, meron pong pinadala sa akin, asulat, galing po kay FGPF Daniel Manero, our National Chairman. Allow me to read in front of you. May this message find you well. Haranahin ko ang ating UGMF. To Melbourne UGMF Isaac Montapay, the Universal Guardian Master Founder, President of Universal Guardian Brotherhood, Principal UGMF Cummings, to Nestor Lisa Jr., Secretary General of Universal Guardian Brotherhood. Pinabasa ko po to the esteemed members of the Brotherhood, good day everyone. As we gather in unity, bound by our shared ideals and goals, being a guardian, I am reminded of the strength and resilience that define us. Our brother stand as beacon of hope in a world prone with ostensibly scorn. Through our unwavering commitment to each other and our cause, we have weathered storm and overcome challenges that would have altered lesser organization. Yes, as we celebrate our success in different factors, let us not forget the responsibility that comes with our position. We are not simply a collective of individuals, but steward of legacy built upon principles of integrity, justice, and compassion. It is incumbent upon each and every one of us to uphold this value in our words and deeds, both in our rank and in our interaction with the world at large. In times of triumph or brotherhood, it's easy to become complacent, to rest on our laurel and bask the glow of past achievement. But true greatness lies not in the victories of yesterday, but in the action we take today and the legacy we strive to live for tomorrow for our dear brother. Let us never lose sight on our purpose, nor grow weary in our pursuit of better brotherhood for all. As we stand on the principle of new era, let us reaffirm our commitment to one another and to the principles that bind us together and to the unification we aim for. Let us continue to support and uplift each other, to challenge and inspire one another, and stand as beacon of hope and agent of change in a world that so desperately needs more. Together, we are stronger than any obstacle, greater than any adversity. Together, we are in the brotherhood, and together, we will build a future worthy of our shared vision. For we can be as one, we can be unified, and aim for a certain goal for our brotherhood to grow and prove that we move as one. We have the same vision, and so we are stronger because we are together. I have sent this message to me, Pastor Pander, Godfather Blue, Reynaldo Swat Conrado, Assistant Chief of Staff, GBI 12399 as a representative on my behalf as being one of the pillars of 12399. In solidarity and brotherly unification, signed, Daniel Isidal Manero, Guardian Brotherhood Incorporated 12399. So ito po ang basa niya. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat din sa iyo, Tatay amin, bilang pag-recognize mo sa amin na 14899. Maraming salamat po tayo. Maraming salamat din po kay SM Lapu-Lapu dahil kinilala kami na kami ang 14899 na binigyan kami ng authority para gamitin. So ngayon, Tatay, pag-uusap po kami palagi. Kayo po, hindi pa tayo nagkakakilala pero kilala na namin kayo. Hindi pa ito nagsisimula. Sinisimulan ko na yan. Okay, when I conduct orientation of our members, even all members of the GIU, pinapagalitan ko po yan. Hindi kayo basta-basta maging founder. What is founder anyway? What are the 8 classes? What is guardian? So anyway, maraming salamat po sa totoo lang. The incident, siya po ay committed. Transparency, but more siya sa consultative rather than autocratic. Ganyan po kami ngayon. So again, ladies and gentlemen, in behalf of our national chairman, welcome sa UGP. Mabuhay ka dyan! Mabuhay ka dyan! Mabuhay ka dyan!
Thank you very much, Daniel, FGD, and Dan Manihil. So, there is the Apex.
Sorry, I have to tell you, I have a resolution here. Ibibigay mo sa inyo. Guardian 1239 under National Chairman Daniel Madero. Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated, State Registration 12899. Resolution number 2, series of 2024. Resolution manifesting the Guardian Brotherhood Incorporated 12899 to affiliate with the Universal Guardian Brotherhood Confederation of all Guardians. Whereas the Guardian Brotherhood Incorporated is a duly registered organization with the Securities and Exchange Commission under registry number 12899 dated 10 December 1984. Whereas the Guardian Brotherhood Incorporated will send its national officer to attend the Guardian's Day celebration on May 4, 2024 at Marikina Sport Complex, initiated by the Universal Guardian Brotherhood. Whereas we support the good intention of Universal Guardian Brotherhood to unify our Guardian organization for the purpose of harmony and brotherhood. Whereas the Guardian Brotherhood Incorporated will stand for our principle. What we have started, that will be our part. Ano ang ating pinagmulan ay siya ating susundan. Now, therefore, the majority of the members of National Founder Council is council in a virtual communication group chat messengers meeting this 27 day of April 2024. Upon a resolution manifesting the Guardian Brotherhood Incorporated 12899 to affiliate with the Universal Guardian Brotherhood and its confederation of all guardians. Resolved as it is hereby resolved that copy of this resolution be furnished to the officers of the Universal Guardian Brotherhood. Resolved order that a copy of this resolution be signed either manually or electronically. Signed Daniel F. J. Manero, National Chairman. Signed Pablo F. J. Sabi Iya, National Chairman. Signed Supreme Guard Fatherland, which is so. Signed Edilino Edros Tawit, Chief of Staff. Signed Your Truly Reynaldo Swat Conrado, Assistant National Vice Chief of Staff. Signed Romeo G.B. Bobo Boyanako, Assistant Chief of Staff for Federal Personal Brother. Signed National Secretariat Consultant Honor J. Signed FGBM Efren Aspo, Vice Chairman Mindanao. Signed Renato FGBM Domingo, Vice Chairman for Visayas. Signed Decador FGGM Spider Arogo, Vice Chairman for Luzon. Another one, signed Dean Bolsbolo, United Arab Emirates. Signed Regional Chairman Persian Gulf Region, Mark Sargento Almiron. Signed Founder Aaron, Regional Chairman Region 7. Signed Carlito FGB La Chica, who is now present. Signed Jubileo Harbon Alabarens, Region 9B. So,
Si Alabarin,
pinabasa ko na sa inyo ang aming resolution para sa inyong copy. Salamat po at magandang buhay.
There is a resolution, Appeals Resolution number 004, series of 2024, a resolution manifesting the Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated 123899, ito yung na-register ng December 10, 1984, to affiliate with the Universal Guardians Brotherhood Confederation of all Guardians. Is there any motion to approve this resolution?
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Your Honor.
I move the approval of the resolution.
There is a motion. Is there any second? There is a motion and duly seconded that resolution number 004, series of 2024, a resolution manifesting the Guardians Brotherhood Incorporated, series of 12389, sec registered 123899, dated December 10, 1984, to affiliate with the Universal Guardians Brotherhood Confederation of all Guardians. Is there any objection? Discussion? Violent reaction? The chair hears none. The motion is carried. Secretary General is now recognized.
Thank you.